I'm Beth Duda, the director of the Suncoast Campaign for Grade Level Reading, and today we're at SuperMatt Laundromat on 15th Street in Bradenton to do a pop-up neighbor through laundry today. Everybody who walks in the door is getting their laundry fees paid for because of the generosity of the Patterson Foundation, and I've got a great volunteer with me. Jordani, why do you like coming to Pop-Up Neighbor Days?
I like to come here because I like to see the happiness on everyone's faces when we tell them that it's free.
So this is going to save you some money today.
Yeah. We're just trying to help and really show kindness to others.
Today we have First 1,000 Days with us. Unidos Now is with us. We have a produce table set up by All Faiths Foodbank. It's really a wonderful day, and people are finding out about how they can get low-cost internet.
What we're trying to do is make sure they're eligible for the lowest cost with the highest speeds and the best quality, but then also the program allows for low-cost devices like a tablet or a laptop, and also obtaining training on how to use all the different programs.
Just trying to make sure the whole family, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever's taking care of that little one has everything that they need from social services, mental health services, and health care. No cards. You're welcome.
Me gustó mucho, me sorprendió, pero me pareció muy chévere para todos.
Gratis, buena cosa para nosotros. Sí, es bueno.
What do you say?
He said that he's happy and it's very good that he doesn't have to pay for it.
It's okay.
Here we go.
Thank you guys so much.